Today's adventure finds us on the train. We're not going on the train. This is what's left of the train, unfortunately. We're in Bonavista today, and I've passed by the train a lot of times. I thought I'd come aboard just to see what's going on. And as you can see, there ain't much going on. This was the old caboose. Man, it must have been freezing in here. Look at the heater. Holy smokes. Storage. There's a washroom back there. And I guess this was the little perch for the guy in the end here. He could look out over the train and see what was happening. Fuel, maybe. And as you can see, this bad boy hasn't moved in a long time. There it is, the CN 6060. So that was the caboose. And this was the dining car. Watch my step here. It's a bit dodgy. Whoa. Be a cool spot for a diner. Somebody had some insight. Be pretty cool. Whoa, she's falling apart, boys and girls. The dining car. There it is, the diner. 5018. That'd be the name of the joint. Be pretty cool. And this here was for hauling cargo. What cargo we hauled? We're an island, remember? This is one of the engines here. What's left of her. She used a 932. Salt water is giving her a pounding. Wow. Look at that. Whew. We would have walked off here and got our ticket. Pretty cool. A little bit of the track left. The old train. 1988, we traded the train for the promise of a divided highway across the island. We got the Whitburn. I'm pretty sure the Minister of Transportation who signed that deal was from Saskatchewan somewhere, where you can watch the dog run away for days. Well, that ain't the case here, let me tell you. Dogs aren't foolish enough to run away to begin with. That's all they got home is comfort. We're going to try for another 200 kilometers now and get us to Clarenville. I'm pretty sure they'll never make it across the island. I miss the old train. Imagine doing a tour on the train. How fun would that be? There it is, the Bonavista train.